My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called KeepCalm. KeepCalm is a ransomware that may damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. However, unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this KeepCalm ransomware may be easily injected into the system. So then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this particular ransomware called KeepCalm. The files would be no longer accessible. So this is what happens with the files. You can now see some files to be already encrypted and damaged by this ransomware. So when you try to open the specific file, you get a message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with the KeepCalm extension. The ransomware also drops this ransom note in the form of txt file. It indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money, don't ever pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. But to get there, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software Combo Cleaner Antivirus, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available, and the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from being damaged in the future. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of infections. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution for protecting your data from being damaged in the future.